So, are we filming? Yes, we are. So, I want to talk about minimalist diaries and how we can apply that minimalism to certain filofaxes that are no longer made but can make jolly good diaries, standalone diaries. And this is my idea, one of many I hope to pontificate and elaborate and procrastinate over the next year or so. What am I talking about? What am I talking about? Well, let me just crack on with this. So this is one of the examples of the Filofax design with 4 rings instead of the 6. Or in this case, it's a pocket-sized Filofax made in England in the early 90s. I think it was early 90s, possibly late 80s, but there are a lot of these around. They're a bit unusual. There's 4 rings, and these you can still actually get the if you buy. In fact, I bought this week. This is pocket-sized paper, and I'm not going to take it. Oh yes, I can. You can see that it still has, even though I bought this week, it still has the slots here which allow you to use it in either a current pocket-sized format binder or indeed the these unusual 4-ring models. Sorry, 4 slots there, and you can see that I don't know whether they still make them, but you know, I was able to buy this online, and it still has the slots. So probably old stock sitting around for quite a while. So it was designed for pocket-sized, but in this particular case, as you can probably see, I've basically substituted the pocket-sized paper for a pages of standard-sized, personal-sized sheets, and I've just literally, with a guillotine, cut off the top and the bottom, and miraculously, it means that if you do that, either with a guillotine or a pair of scissors, it doesn't really matter, but it just makes a very, very nice minimalist diary. And when I mean diary, I mean a week to a page, so you don't need many sheets, and it is very, very slimline, slimmer even than my Guildford Mini Extra Slim. You can see that this is thinner to a certain degree, but what I like about this is, and I discovered only recently, if you take the line spacing of a standard Filofax personal size page and then cut off the top and bottom so that it fits perfectly in one of these 4-ring binders, there are 28 lines. And why is that useful? It means because you can divide 4 lines per day, gives you Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And then again, so it is very, very clean, very minimalist. I've just used some rough old paper to experiment with this, but I really like that. I like the fact that you can, at minimal cost, you can have a standalone diary for your jacket pocket or your handbag or whatever. But for those that want a minimalist week to a page diary, this can be very, very effective. Now, I know that these are sometimes advertised as rare. Well, they're not rare. They're not the only rare thing really is probably someone who wants to buy one. But in this particular case, it is very, very useful, in my opinion, as a standalone diary. And some people need a diary for different diaries for different things, myself included. And I just stumbled across this, and I thought, what a great minimalist application that this vintage, if you like, this vintage 4-ring binder affords. I like it. So that's all I'm going to say. Thank you for watching. I'm going to do quite a few of these short videos about just general ideas that I come across, things that have been playing on my mind for a while. But this is the first one this year, as well as all my other stuff. I want to start sharing my thoughts about some really, really random stuff. I hope you enjoy them, and I'm looking forward to having a good year. I hope you lot are having a good year too. But I'm waffling now, aren't I? So thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.